My name is James Robinson. I'm the founder and co-CEO of My Food Bag. My Food Bag is a food delivery business, and we deliver recipes and all the ingredients you need to make those recipes to your door. We've been going about 5 years, and our turnover last reported was $150 million, and we've got about 160 staff. My Food Bag is one of the highest growth businesses in New Zealand in the last 20 years. Where I think Microsoft Cloud Services really come into their own, it allows you to get the best technology for little investment. So when you want to grow and grow quickly and be flexible in that growth, cloud-based services such as what Microsoft offer are the way to go. Well, the experience we've had working with Lexel has been fantastic. Lexel understands service, prompt, reliable, great communication, goes above and beyond to ensure that you as a customer have what you need.
Lexel was an obvious choice for My Food Bag based on the depth of our relationship and the breadth of our expertise in cloud solutions.
Microsoft Clouds has benefited our team, the Customer Love team, and the wider business quite significantly. Prior to having Skype for Business and our contact center and the Microsoft Cloud services, we really faced a bit of a nightmare.
We were struggling to scale with our growth. We had reliability issues. We had outages. And in a business like My Food Bag, when we're operating mission critical services on a Sunday, when customers are expecting delivery right through New Zealand, you have to be up and available to your customers. The scalability, the flexibility that we're able to get through implementing that solution really helped change our business.
The technology has allowed us to communicate better with each other, and it's also allowed us to spend more time training and developing our people and having the tools to actually be able to do that where we didn't have that before. Over the course of the last year, we've won 2 awards, one in customer service delivery and one as a supreme business. And we really believe that a large portion of that can be attributed to our choice in technology. We now have the ability to communicate better than we ever have before. We can train and develop our people better than we ever could before. And now we have a one-stop shop for our entire team to go and get the information that they need.
The Microsoft Cloud Suite has been so beneficial to us. We're on SharePoint, we're on OneDrive, we're on Skype for Business, we're on Office 365, we're using Power BI, we're using Microsoft Flows to be able to trigger those important things that we need to know at an instant. And we're heavily invested in Azure, since one of the criteria we needed to get Skype for Business as a call center is we needed Active Directory to be able to use identity management. This way we have computers hooked up to AD, so we've got better asset management as well as control of our people. Our digital team is currently migrating our website hosting to Azure App Services, and this way we get redundancy and scalability.
Over the years, the Lexel team has developed a strong working relationship with My Food Bag, delivering Microsoft solutions.
Our perception of Microsoft as a cloud provider is that they're such a trusted business. We love their transparency, and whenever we come to them with something that we need, they're so collaborative about a solution for us. I would absolutely recommend Lexel to other businesses. The thing that I love about them is that I'm able to pick up the phone and they direct me to the expert that I need to talk to in order to get my job done.